Santa Fe businesses have unique needs, and your AI systems should reflect that.
Santa Fe is relationship-driven, creative, and community-minded. Your systems must support that, not replace it.
Small teams, seasonal rhythms, mixed workflows, and a blend of traditional and modern tools. AI must adapt to this environment, not force you into someone else's.
When AI is built for your culture, your team becomes more consistent, your operations become smoother, and your customer experience becomes more reliable.
I help Santa Fe small businesses modernize without losing what makes them unique. Connected to our community, our customers, our friends and families.
Santa Fe Business.AI local solutions for local businesses.
A fractional CTO can be a game changer for your business, helping you scale efficiently and maximize your technology investments. To see how we can benefit your company, visit santafebusiness.ai/hello. Let's build your future together.